This is just going to be a look at. We got this, but we changed our mind on what we were going to do with it. It didn't work out. So this is the white version. So if you're interested just to look at what the device looks like, I'll do a close-up of it. What's inside the box. Sort of like an unboxing of the actual item. And show you what you would be getting if you purchased this item. I'll put this at the end. And all the screws and everything that comes with it, and that's it. I'm going to put this out on the box, so I won't lose anything. Comes with a lot of items to bolt to different types of walls. Very heavy duty screws. I believe these are the same size screws. Yep. And this device, I don't know what this is. And these tiny screws. Something covers and let's look at the device itself. It's a bench. It's plastic. This is metal. This end is metal. Oh, that comes apart. Okay. I guess that's where you put some of the. I'm assuming this is probably goes in here. Yeah, that's probably the way it goes, like that. And then you put the lid, and that way it can slide up and down. Okay. This is metal, steel metal. Thickness. I don't know what else. This stretches out, so this goes in here. Sorry about that. So this goes, let me take this out. This goes in there like that. And it comes out, so this is the whole chair itself. And it comes out about, let's say if it was on the wall, it would come out about a foot, it looks like. And when it's up, it would just be the size of this item. So that means that if it's, we have it up, it would just, oh, well, it would be actually this way. So it would be this far away from the wall. I should actually say this way. So the thickness of this, about 2 inches. So if we set it up, I guess the way it's supposed to be, let me just temporarily do it. Put these things in there. Okay, and then do this side. Okay, and then it would go, if it was up against the wall, like that, then you would be able to bring it up like this, which is pretty cool. And then when you wanted it down, you just would bring it down, like that. Cool idea, but our plans for it changed. So this is just a look at. So I hope, well, let's just do a close-up look at this, all the items. So like I said, this is plastic. And then all three. Okay, so hope the video is helpful. I hope it helps. I hope you liked it. Thank you.